6 tips to get started with journaling for beginners. Part 1. 1. Find your journaling style. Experiment with different journaling styles and find what works best for you. It's your journal, so you can write, draw and express yourself however you like. 2. Make it a habit. Establish a regular journaling habit by setting aside dedicated time each day or week. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of journaling. Whether it's morning reflections or end-of-day summaries, find a routine and commit to it. 3. Write freely and authentically. Allow yourself to write without judgment or censorship. Journaling is a space for you to express yourself honestly and authentically. 4. Focus on specific topics. If you're unsure where to start, topics can be helpful in guiding your journaling sessions. Specific topics can be simple questions, thought-provoking statements, or specific topics you want to explore. 5. Reflect and review. Periodically reflect on your past entries to gain insights and track your personal growth. You might gain self-awareness and learn from your experiences. 6. Personally, I recommend finishing with gratitude. Being grateful is a very powerful technique similar to acknowledgement. A great phrase from Bob Proctor to start your sentence with is, "I am so happy and grateful now that." We will make a separate series of videos on gratitude, things that you've never heard of before. So like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon now to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Journaling is a personal practice, and there are no hard rules. Experiment. Be free to express whatever you feel without judgment or restrictions.